Welcome back to your Be Your Own Boss YouTube channel. You know, I teach you how to get these gig economy apps, start jobs, start businesses, earn passive income, anything to help you level up out that 9-to-5 rat race. We about that. And I'm back with another great gig economy app position for you guys who like to Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, move people around. But this one is slightly different. You're more of a professional driver, more upscale, and you don't even have to have your own car for this. You can drive the company's car. So if you're looking for a job, looking for a position where you're driving, but you don't have the transportation at this moment, then this is the video for you. So if you like that type of information, hit that like button, smash the subscribe button. I'm trying to get out to a larger audience. And by you leaving comments and likes, it does just that. Gets out to the world, and everybody's going to start getting back to work and start getting to this money, all right? So we're going to hop into the laptop. We're going to check out ALTO. Yes, sir. My homeboy just jumped the fence up ALTO. And we're going to look at this rideshare company, look at some of the reviews on it, and trying to see breakdown on how much they're paying and where they're located, all right? So let's jump on in. All right, now we are inside the laptop. Let's check out ALTO. So this is a Texas-based company, but I know they have driver positions out in California, Texas, Chicago, and some Florida areas. Let's get into some more. So it's saying, why drive for ALTO? It's the only rideshare built with you in mind. So they are more driver focused than, getting a passenger, which is great. They have great pay and all that stuff. You don't have to buy a vehicle. We provide luxury, safety equipped vehicle for you. So if you need a vehicle, you don't have to worry about gas. You don't have to worry about maintenance. You can get in ground floor with this company and start making money. Throw guaranteed hourly income and employee benefits. So you're getting benefits as well. So here are the cities. Like I said, they're in Chicago, Dallas, DC, Houston, Los Angeles, Miami, and Silicon Valley. So that's what Bay Area. So pretty much California, Miami, South Florida, and Texas and Chicago. No Atlanta, where I am. That sucks, but we're still going to get into it. So here, people cleaning up the vehicles. Here's an example of a vehicle, look like a Buick. Interesting. So all their vehicles are branded, guaranteed hourly pay, and that's pretty much the application. Let's go to the, so you can download the app if you're interested in getting rides through them. They go through background checks. So they want real professional, experienced drivers, people who take this serious, who got good customer service. You're driving large vehicles, taking people to and from the airport, to meetings, working with upscale, high-end clients, things of that nature. They actually have a membership plan, huh? So you sign up and you get a fleet at your fingertips. You can get many as, I guess, drives or rides for a flat fee a month, which is kind of cool. So that's how they able to pay you, the driver, a top fee, because they're getting a subscription based, which it can be canceled at any time. And then, you're a professional, you should be driven by one. So that's how they sell. That's how they get their high-end clients. They work with people in the professional industry. You get on-demand courier service. So as well as dropping off people, looks like you're going to be dropping off packages and other items to people as well. So it's a large variety of things you can do. So check this company out. We got to go to Indeed. Yes, Indeed. And check out what they got going on here. Indeedy. Job is easy. Dress code. You see that most people have on uniforms. Tan shirt, pants. How flexible your working hours. Typical day, you park, have personal items ready, clock in, grab a bag associated. So you have a different type of people you got to go pick up. You got a list of pickups and drop-offs, look like going on. So I always come to Indeed to get a better understanding of these companies. Indeed and Glassdoor, little free game for my be your own bosses out here. Go to these sites to kind of get a idea of the company culture, what they're about, the real ideal. These interviews and the company employees don't really tell you the real deal, but the people who actually work for them and no longer working for them will give you the honest answer sometimes. Sometimes it's a little bit jaded if they're left on bad terms, but usually get a better understanding by going to Indeed or Glassdoor. And here are some of the other jobs they are hiring for. So new company, but they look like they are in a growth period. So definitely check out ALTO. Link down in the description below. You know how I do on this channel. I don't hide anything. I'm gonna give you all the gems, all the free games. So hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, and share this video to any of your friends. Remember, be your own boss. Later.